my channel, as I like to call it, the Candy Factory. Cheers! So a lot of you who watched my previous video on how I apply my lashes wanted me to film the video where I show you how I remove them and clean them. So it's actually really easy. This way you can reuse your lashes, you really look after them and all that sort of good stuff, because lashes can work out expensive if you wear. Sis man, ew. Fla? Lashes can be expensive if you buy a new pair every time you want to wear them. So I'm going to show you how I clean my lashes and just make it able for me to reuse them up to about, I would say, 6, 7, sometimes 10 times. If you're not a lollipop yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you are a lollipop, smash the like button. Show me some love. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys, I'm freaking out. Kristen Leanne, I did this look, which is actually what I'm wearing now, and it was inspired by one of her Snapchat stories, and she just commented on my video. She commented on my video. I'm like low-key freaking out right now. Kristen Leanne, commented on my photo. Kristen Leanne. She didn't really say anything, but she gave me little cat emojis with a purple heart. I mean, I really love Kristen Leanne. Like, I'm a big Kristen Leanne fan, so I'm freaking out. Okay, just relax for a second, because this video is not about that. So if you want to learn how to clean your lashes and use them up to 5 to 10 times depending on how you treat them, let's jump into the video. It's actually so easy, and you guys are going to be like, what is this? So when I remove them, I would usually remove them while I'm in the bathtub. I'll just wet my face gently and then just start by tugging from the inside corner, pulling it outwards and really just taking my time. The water helps the glue become a little bit like, I don't want to say snotty, but like snotty. And then it kind of just comes off easily rather than trying to take them off while everything's still dry. Then I actually just take the cap off any dry shampoo, hairspray. All my hairspray bottles have got no caps because obviously I'm using it and it's all over the place. But let me see if I can find one. So I would just take a little cup like this. A lot of people put them in a bowl and something like that. I just find that it can waste product, so I just use this little doppie. And then I put my lashes in there and I fill it up with, here's the secret, masala water. I usually use the masala water for sensitive skin. I have 3 different options that I want to show you guys. The first one is the Bionic one. This one is so nice because, I mean, look at how huge this bottle is, 500 mils. I think it's 150 at Discount. I really love this one. Then I also like the L'Oreal Skin Perfecting Masala Water, also for sensitive skin. And then last but not least, the first time around baby that I've always used, the Garnier Masala Water, also for sensitive skin. So basically what you would do is you would just take your masala water and then just pour some in your little cup until it covers the lashes. And then I would just like swirl it around a little bit. Then I'll just put this on a cupboard somewhere and just let it soak in there while I'm getting some beauty sleep. And then next morning when I wake up and I want to do my makeup again, I'll just grab it. So I've got another one which I left overnight just to show you guys how I do it and what I do, and you'll see that if you look inside it, it's actually quite gross because there's a lot of mascara pieces and everything floating around, but the masala water kind of just took that off the lashes gently while you were catching up on beauty sleep. Girl, it's a win-win situation. Okay, so then I'll basically just take them out and I will place them on a tissue, and a lot of people kind of just dry it like that. But what I like doing is I will take some cotton buds, and these are pink. I die. And then I would gently just push on them to try and remove any excess mascara that's still left on the lashes. And this way you are drying your lashes but also removing whatever's left on them. The very last step is then just to take your lash, pick off the glue that's on the lash band. Now you want to hold your lash quite closely towards the band, and then just with your nail try and take off any excess glue that's still on the lashes. And then I just leave them on my table to dry completely on the tissue, and by the time I have to put on my lashes, good as new. See, I told you guys, it is so easy. I used to throw away my lashes after every single use because they full of mascara and glue, and it's just kind of gross. And this way I get to reuse them and obviously save some money, especially if you're spending a lot of money on some lashes out there. You get lashes that are something from 300 to 500 rand. I'm thinking like velour lashes, Huda Beauty lashes, that sort of thing. But I just, like I mentioned in my previous video, prefer the drugstore kind of brands because they're also really cruelty free and not real mink hair. Apart from that, I love this technique. It really works for me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you think it's really cool and easy, and let me know in the comment section down below if you tried it out and if it worked for you. Until my next video, you guys must stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.